Hi home cooks, today I'm in the kitchen making an easy fresh peach sorbet.
This fruity treat is made with peaches and a hint of fresh lemon. For a light, flavor-packed dessert recipe, perfect for peach season. No artificial flavors, just real fruit in every sunny spoonful.
Peach sorbet is a delicious way to show off the natural flavors of peaches picked at their peak. You can make this with fresh or frozen peaches. It's naturally sweet, extra creamy, and deliciously refreshing.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make homemade peach sorbet.
The first thing I'm going to do for this recipe is prepare the peaches. Peel and remove the pit from 4 peaches. Or leave the skin on if you don't mind a slightly less silky texture. Of course, the peaches in this recipe can be replaced by other fruit. For me, the closest fruit to peaches are nectarines and plums. And of course, you can replace the fresh peaches with frozen and enjoy this recipe any time of year. Add these to a food processor and puree until smooth. To the pureed peaches, add in a half a cup of sugar and the juice from 1 lemon. Make sure to use fresh lemon for the best burst of citrusy flavor. Puree this entire mixture until it's very smooth and creamy. Make sure to scrape down the sides and bottom of the food processor to make sure everything is getting mixed in evenly. Now I'm going to transfer this bright and fruity puree to a bowl and pop it into the fridge to chill for about an hour. I'm just using a large glass measuring cup to make it easier to pour into the ice cream maker later on. Chilling it first is going to speed up the process of churning this into a frozen dessert when I place it in the ice cream maker. As soon as the peach mixture is ready, you can add it to the ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's directions. It's going to slowly freeze and churn into a smooth and creamy semi-solid texture. You can then remove it from the ice cream maker and place the peach sorbet in a sealable, freezer-safe container. Place it into the freezer to chill for 2 to 3 hours or until set. Fresh, fruity, and incredibly easy, this peach sorbet recipe comes together in no time. Perfect for summer gatherings or a healthy weekday dessert.
And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below.
With its velvety texture and sweet, sun-ripened flavor, it's a refreshing, guilt-free treat you'll want to make all summer long. Serve it ice cold in a bowl or a cone.
Enjoy!
If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.